Credit Repair Secrets, I'm going to be covering complaints in this video, how you can work on your own credit, not have to pay anybody else, or if you're going to be helping people with their credit, these are some tools that you can use to have the consumer complain about the credit bureaus or about the data furnisher that's reporting to the credit bureaus. Let's get right into it. Now, if you are new here, make sure you have number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, if you want access to this guide is going to cover over 26 credit repair secrets that you can do to not only fix your credit, but help other people fix their credit. Let's get into it. The first website that you can visit to file a complaint is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. They are actually a government website that is going to help you as a consumer against claims with data furnishers and or credit reporting agencies. You can submit a complaint in less than 5 minutes right online. And if you don't really know what to say, just have ChatGPT draft up a complaint to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau and just make sure to include as much information about that account or what the situation is. Make sure you have the account name, the account number, and who it is against and what the resolution is that you want with them. They are super helpful. Next up, we have the Better Business Bureau, and they are not a government agency, but they are a very well-known company, and you don't really want to have a bad rap with them. So if you have issues with either Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and or a collections agency or data furnisher that is providing information to the credit bureaus, you can go ahead and find their profile right on the Better Business website and file a complaint. The cool thing is you can see other people's complaints and get an idea of what's working for them and what the resolution is. Same thing with the CFPB. A lot of this information is public, so you can go on there and kind of do your research and say, hey, this is actually just like my situation. They bring up valid points here. I'm going to kind of, I would say not copy, but use their layout of what they used. And it's very simple. And again, ChatGPT can help you draft up everything. Now, this website is for California residents, but I'm sure if you have, any sort of state website for your particular state that deals with consumer finances. Next up are going to be your state websites. So in California, there is the Department of Financial Protection and Innovation. And you're just going to look up what state websites that you have where you can actually file a complaint against the credit bureaus or the data furnisher because of whatever is going on with your particular situation. And last but not least, we have the Federal Trade Commission, the good old FTC. They are a government agency and you can make a complaint with them as well. So if you are having issues with Equifax, TransUnion, or Experian removing accounts, the FTC and the credit bureaus are urging you to create a complaint or file a complaint with them and document the situation so that way you can send a copy on into the credit bureaus. That is it. That is all. If you want access to my guide, comment the word guide and I will send you exclusive access. There is also the credit community where this guide, these videos, and so much more is inside. So if you plan to fix your credit or even help others want to start a credit repair business, this is definitely the place for you. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, turn those bell notifications on, and I'll see you next time.